You don't stop until you've delivered the best possible product. Neither does Inventor. Continue tackling larger and more complex designs with the latest performance improvements. Experience enhancements around assemblies, parts, drawings, and AutoCAD workflows in Inventor 2020. AutoCAD's ability to reference files from other CAD systems, including files containing mesh geometry, has seen a performance improvement, from the display of the dialog box to finishing the command. In Express mode, you can now leverage more workflows for skeletal modeling with the ability to use and edit unconsumed sketches and work features. You'll notice command dialogues like material and appearances, hole, and joint in the assembly environment are now more responsive. Zooming and panning in large assemblies with lots of components selected has been improved. And whether you're using saved views or object filtering to change the visibility states of components, experience quicker visibility changes. In the part environment, feature patterns now generate much faster. This means back in assemblies, associative patterns will also generate much more quickly. In the drawing environment, create auxiliary and section views faster, as well as hidden lines, and see how you can get more done in less time with all the continued improvements to Autodesk Inventor.